Welcome to the ILS video podcast. Today's episode is about the INCRA dashboard, which is a web-based platform for land use monitoring. Now I'm going to switch to the live version of this platform to illustrate how it works. So first of all, users need to select the administrative level they are working on. Alternatively, you can directly type in the name of the city in the search bar. The second step is to select a dataset. This dashboard includes 7 datasets, which are categorized into 4 groups. The first group includes the INCRA land cover map and INCRA soil ceiling map, which were produced by the INCRA project using satellite data. Click on the information icon. You will find the information on how the maps were created and what is the mapping accuracy of the maps. If you want to know what the data looks like, click on the icon Basic Data. The interface will switch to a map display of the dataset. At the same time, the map content is also presented as numbers on the right side. For instance, it shows in 2020 the hectare and percentage values of land cover classes. This function also works for some other datasets, such as the INCRA soil ceiling map, the Copernicus land cover map, and also the Copernicus soil ceiling map. If users want to have a deep insight into the maps, there's a function to overlay the maps with ground truth data, such as OpenStreetMap and area photos. Like here, I can choose the background as area photos. A trick here is to adjust the transparency of the selected data so you can have an easier comparison. So why does the dashboard include so many different datasets and what is their data used for? The core of the project is to monitoring land changes based on spatial data. In other words, to calculate the indicator based on the 7 datasets. When you click on indicator, on the right side, it gives you the indicator result. For instance, the urban land has increased about 150 hectares between 2015 and 2018 using Copernicus land cover map. If you are interested in the vegetation maps changes, you can choose the indicators in the vegetation group. The map in the center is a geographic display of the selected indicators. If you're not sure what the indicator means, you can find the detailed definition about the calculation procedure of the indicators by clicking on the information icon. A special feature of this dashboard is the export mode. Click on Compare, then you will be directed into the export mode. What you need to do is set up the area of interest, select the indicator you want to know, and select the data you want to compare. Such as here, I select the Copernicus land cover map and the Copernicus soil ceiling map. And then, as you can see, the indicators for the same indicator give you different values. This is caused by the different mapping unit, mapping period, and mapping method, and so on. Users can find answers to the difference in the data description, indicator definition, and as well as the FAQ sections. A more straightforward way is to compare the changing layer of the dataset, which will provide a better understanding of the change behind it. For instance, here, the Copernicus land cover tells you that a patch with a size of 5.1 hectare was converted from agricultural land into industrial during the period between 2012 and 2018. Meanwhile, at the same place, the Copernicus soil ceiling map says that a patch with a size of 2.7 hectare was sealed during the period between 2015 and 2018. This part explains why these two datasets gives different values to the indicator increase of build-up. The general information about the project you can find in the section about this portal or the FAQ sections. So, that is pretty much what I like to say about this dashboard. We welcome all of you to try this platform and share your user experience with us. Looking forward to discussing with you about land use monitoring. Thank you.